Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Sandeep Sharma, your pediatric faculty. So the NEET-PG 23 results are out, and along with a lot of congratulatory posts and a lot of thanks posts, there were also a few messages which I received, and so I thought it is better that while in between my recordings at the studio, I should take a small break and discuss a few thoughts with you. All of you who have done well in the exam, congratulations. You have done well, and I would advise that you utilize this good rank to motivate you for even better rank in the INI-CET exam. For those of you who have got a okayish kind of rank, when I say okayish, that means it's subjective, and what it means is that you will be getting a seat of your choice, but not in the college of your choice. It's okay. Branch is always more important than the college. Please remember that. And even if it is not a very reputed or very good college, end of the day, how good a specialist you are depends upon how good a person and how hardworking as a person you are. And even if there are a few deficiencies, even if you did not get a hands-on surgery or enough clinical exposure, you can always compensate it by doing a senior residency or a fellowship or a super specialty later in life. So you should be assured that at least you have got a rank in your hand, a seat in your hand. You will be likely getting a seat, and let this reassurance guide you for your INI-CET. However, if your rank is not up to the mark, you have got a bad result, I know you will be feeling low at it. That is understandable. But please do not let it affect you or let it change the perception of yourself in your own eyes. A lot of people will say कि कुछ नहीं होता. होता है. होता है. I understand. होता है. Because when you are injured, only the person, the part which is injured feels the pain. Nobody else can understand that. I have faced difficulties and disappointments in my life, and I know how bad it feels. But right now, what is important for you is to channelize that pain. Accept that result, that whatever result has come, it is a competitive exam. Somebody has to do well, and somebody will not do well. If the result has been bad, maybe it was a combination of bad luck, maybe it was a combination of other things like your preparation not being that good as other people, and maybe you made a few silly mistakes. It can be anything. End of the day, it is your result, and being an adult, being a responsible person, being a doctor, it is important for you to accept this result as your own. Only when you do the acceptance part, you can move forward. After you have accepted, it's okay to vent your fury, your frustration, your anger. You want to take a moment, cry. It's absolutely fine. Man, woman, doesn't matter. It's okay. Shed a few tears, vent it out, discuss with your family, with your friends, people who understand. It's okay. It's absolutely fine. It's absolutely human. In fact, you will feel better after that. But take some time off, accept it, have a good meal, sleep over it, and get up with a fresh mind. Because end of the day, you have nothing to lose. All you can gain is a seat. Whenever you get a low point in life, always say to yourself that this is the lowest point in my life. All I can do is get a seat, gain from this place, gain from this point. There was a point in my life where I faced a lot of economic, turmoil at my home. I was literally hand to mouth. I had dropped in my NEET UG days. I had not got a seat, and I had done a few silly mistakes, silly decisions, which had affected a lot of things in my personal life, my home atmosphere, and that there was a point where I was very low. Somebody else at that point, my mentor, told me that whenever you have a low point, say to yourself that this is the lowest point. I will not go lower than this. All I can do is rise from this point. And if I look back, those words did echo in my ears. They still do. So let not this pain affect you. Let not it define you as a person. It's just one bad day. सबसे पहले आइडेंटिफाई करो, हाँ गलती हुआ है, इट इज़ अ बैड रिजल्ट, इट्स फाइन. सेकेंड, व्हाट आर द डेफिशिएंसीज? ऐसा क्या है विच यू कैन नॉट रिमेंबर? यू हैव डन योर MBBS, ऑल ऑफ योर डॉक्टर्स. Realize your full potential. It is time for you to convert this potential into kinetic energy. Give your best shot and let this pain, this feeling of hopelessness go away. Let this pain motivate you for an even better result. INI-CET. I responded to a message. A student said, "Sir, if I got a bad rank in NEET-PG, INI-CET देके क्या फायदा?" It's a different exam. Go for it. दो तो सही. Only when you give it. If you get a seat, nothing like that. You are redeemed. Even if you don't get a seat. So suppose today your rank is not qualified, or maybe 50,000, 60,000, 80,000. It's okay. If you get it under 5,000 or 10,000, try to imagine kitna bada jump hoga, how much of a good confidence booster it will be. Anybody in the top 5 or 10,000, trust me, on his or her day they have a good shot, they can have a good shot an INI-CET exam. INI-CET is a topic repeat, previous year question based repeat. Go for it. Let not one exam define you. You are much more than a person. You are all doctors. All you can do is rise from here. So if you are feeling bad, discuss with whomsoever you feel comfortable with. You can talk to me, you can message me here, at least on YouTube. But there is a reason I'm posting this, because a lot of you will be messaging to people, a lot of you will be feeling the pain on inside. Don't let this pain turn you towards a negative point of view. Utilize it to motivate yourself. God bless everyone.